What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to completely log out of your Snapchat account. Now, you may have noticed if you've logged into other people's Snapchat accounts that their login will be saved, and you want to be able to completely log out. So what you're going to do is just log out as normal. Should take you to settings, and then just scroll all the way down, and then you'll be able to see the log out button. And then you could log out, but it doesn't fully log you out. But you could see a little blue text under your username to remove this account. And you're going to want to do this after you log out if you use someone else's device and you don't want them logging into your account. This is super helpful for fully logging your account out and just removing it completely from the device. And from here, you should be good to go. If you have any questions, though, don't be afraid to leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and also read the description because you won't want to miss the information that's down there.